What's up, print fam? Welcome back to the print shop. I thought the video this week would be, interesting to just go through my entire week, what I do every day, how it works. Today is the end of the day, Monday, so I don't have any footage for today because I just decided that I'm going to do this. But today I spent quite a bit of time working on our new CRM system, which is a customer relationship management system. Basically, I was setting up pipelines so that we can track specific processes in the sales process. So we set up one for prospecting, one for general sales, and then I'm probably going to work on a few more tomorrow. We also did production work. Taylor worked on a bunch of pens trying to catch up from the long holiday weekend. We gave everyone the day off on Friday. I went in for a few hours, but caught up on pens, caught up on the bulk laser orders, and got those all done and shipped out. And then Jacob worked on a bunch of embroidery. We really didn't do much else. We did press a few shirts. So we've got a temporary worker that's working just for the summer. So he was pressing shirts, he did some folding. So one of the things that we are testing to see if we can help, I guess, change the experience for customers is we're going to try folding every single t-shirt for every single order. I know a lot of companies will charge for this and do it as an add-on. We're hoping that this will change the perspective and experience with the customer. So we're going to use this as our marketing spend to see how it goes. So far, we've had a lot of positive response for it. And the hope is that we can create this positive experience. If they choose to use someone else, then hopefully they'll choose to come back so they can have this type of positive experience again without having to pay for it. It does cost time, it does cost money. We got the automatic t-shirt folder that helps a ton to do that. And then I just ordered some custom zip bags, which will make the bagging process a lot better. So I'll keep you updated on that. But that was kind of Monday. We normally have a Monday meeting, but I canceled it because of the long weekend trying to just catch up with stuff and get moving. I didn't think it was really worth going over anything, and no one really had anything in particular that they wanted to discuss. So tomorrow I'll grab some more footage of the actual things that we're doing, and I'll just run you through an entire week. Happy Tuesday. Today we are working on some A-frame signage. So it's the Signacade 24 by 36 signs. We're using the flatbed application table to get everything put on, and then we're cutting it out on the Suma down there. Jacob's working on some puff embroidery hats, and then we are also working on pressing some t-shirts. So I'll go around and show you all the different things. You're making this clip terrible.
I know.
I think you're doing it on purpose. So the first thing we're going to do is scan the barcode, and then we'll go through the cutting process. Now we've moved on to printing some stickers. These are like 9 by 22. I have 100 of these to print. It's going to take about 50 feet of material. And then we've got the t-shirt folder going now. My daughter comes in to help us with this. So she folds and bags all the shirts and then puts sizing stickers on them. At the same time, we've got Jacob working on some transfers, getting them cut down to size. Everything's just humming along at the shop. Cam is pressing away, watching his movies, getting angry with life.
Always angry.
Today ended up being a really great day. We were able to get 3 embroidery jobs done and 3 Colorado jobs done, and a bunch of stuff delivered. A little bit of organization and a little bit of cleaning. Really happy with today. One of the pain points that we're having with extreme growth is just processes and people slowing down rather than just trying to get stuff done, but actually taking the time to get all the information. One of the problems that we're having is with now having 4 salespeople, they don't necessarily slow down and get all the information that you need. So when they submit an order for production, they don't have the right shipping address or the right information or the correct decoration. And that is something that I'm going to have to deal with and fix over the next few weeks. The longer we take to get it resolved, the worse it's going to get. But on to tomorrow. Today was a bit of a crazy day, so I didn't get any footage, but we did a bunch of tumblers. Well, not a bunch of tumblers, a bunch of pens, a few tumblers, some delivery, and then ran one embroidery job. We did get 80 something boxes from FedEx. They had to send 2 dedicated trucks to us. I'll make sure I get some footage of that tomorrow, or I might be able to pull some from the Wise Cam that I can include here. Hopefully those will be gone soon. We did get a bunch of stickers cut out as well today. We got to do some clear ones tomorrow and a banner. So tomorrow should be a good day, Thursday, and we'll just keep on trucking along for the week. Welcome back. Happy Thursday, Pro Fam. Right now we've got some clear stickers printing. So we're doing a white underbase with color on top. We've also attempted to print some pens, but we're having some issues still with the LogoJet printer. We've got a new print head, so we are going to try to get that replaced. Taylor is in the corner running a bunch of pens. We got some tumblers to do as well today. We already finished an embroidery job, mostly. We have a bunch still left to do, but it is a complicated order, which I'm trying to teach the salespeople to get away from, but we just don't have all the details and information. It was an online store where employees could go pick one of a dozen different hats and one of a dozen different designs, and I need to put my foot down and kind of remove that option. As far as like doing stores is great, but when they're that complicated, there's just too much room for error, and then it causes frustration on production as well as with the customers. End of day Thursday, another wrap up. We ended up finishing those stickers, getting them delivered to the customer, and then tonight when I was out with my wife, we went and got some s'more stuff so I could work on s'more kits tomorrow. So hopefully I will get to that and show you kind of what my plan is and what the thought process is. The other thing, we got our new 40-ounce tumblers. So these have a straw. They are leak proof, I guess, leak resistance. So this is Coke Zero. If I show you, no leak. So it's kind of nice. Testing this one out before we go full bore into selling them, even though hopefully everything is fine because we ordered 5,000 of them. But I'm really happy so far with it. Been using it all day, and just it'll be fun. Good different style to have, and we're switching over completely from the old style to this new version. But on to tomorrow, hopefully some s'more kits. I know we've got a few t-shirt jobs to get done and pens. Lots and lots of pens right now, which I'm not complaining. If you want to buy your own, you can visit bulklaser.com. Happy Friday, Print Fam. Final day of the video. We are printing 12,000 stickers. I forgot the stuff to do the s'mores kits, but we also decided to move the LogoJet. So I'm going to run around and show you that while I let these stickers print. It's going to take about 2 full rolls to get all the stickers done, and it'll probably take us a couple days to get them all cut out. Well, I forgot to show you that we moved the LogoJet, and it's now midnight, and I'm at home. So I'll show you that next week. And that is just part of the reason I don't do videos all the time, because work, life, things get crazy. I'd love to show you more. I hope this video was helpful and that you learned something. Let me know if you have questions or if you want me to specifically talk about something to help you in your business. Thanks, Print Fam, and we'll see you in the next one.